for 25 years, I've been taking things apart and putting them back together successfully. I've worked everywhere from the retail sales floor to strategic planning for a top 50, Fortune 50 company. I've done everything from business analysis to project management, crisis management. I've set up new departments. I've redesigned hundreds of critical business processes for the companies I've worked for, all successfully.
If I ask you what has distinguished you in your career, distinguished you in your field, what would you say?
I'd say it's adaptability. Okay. I've often been put in new roles in companies, setting up new departments, and in order to do that, you have to be adaptable. Businesses need success right away in new roles in the company, and I've filled that role oftentimes, creating a successful environment for a team or for a department or whatever the company may be asking me to do.
Well, is there maybe a success story that comes to mind you can share with me?
Yeah, one that does come to mind. I was selected as the project manager to build, communicate, and implement a labor strike contingency plan. And the goal was to run 40 large retail locations and one distribution center under a labor strike. And the strike was called by the union. And within 12 hours, I mobilized 2,500 associates and managers and successfully ran the 41 locations under a strike condition.
Yeah, adverse condition.
Yeah, and the reason I tell you that story, it's not about unions and strikes and contingency plans. We went into that project and I built that plan around servicing the customer, making sure that the customer, the loyal customer, had a place to shop. And that's how we built it. And that's how I go at every project I work on. Customer first, that's the focus.
When you are in a position to do hiring, and I'm sure you've been in that position many times in your career, what do you look for when you hire a leader?
Well, I look for somebody that can manage in good times and in bad times. With the economy the way it is, a leader has to be decisive, they have to be a problem solver, and they have to be resourceful.